Yo, what is going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And this video, you can already probably tell by the title and the thumbnail, but I'm going to be showing you the best Doordash promo codes in 2023. Now these Doordash codes will credit your account a spendable balance. Alternatively, there is also a get free food orders promo code. So basically you will be able to order food and apply the code, and it's just going to completely wipe out the cost of the order. This is a super easy method, and there's no reason why everyone shouldn't be doing this. So I thought I'd finally create a video and help you save some money on your Doordash orders. So let me record my mobile, put the screen recording here so you can all follow along, and I'll help you get your Doordash promo codes. Let me record my screen and get into the tutorial. Okay, so basically guys, open up the internet on whatever mobile phone you have. You can see here I've got an iPhone, but like I say, you can use an Android or whatever. And you need to go to www.speedycoupons.com. Obviously spell Speedy Coupons as you can see here. The usual spelling. Just make sure you go directly to the website address by typing in .com. And basically this special website I've been using for the past few months, saved tons of money across multiple different things. You can see there's not just Doordash on here, there's tons of different stuff ranging from game codes to gift card codes. However, to find the Doordash page, guys, you can literally just scroll down and look for the Doordash page. It's usually in the trending coupons section. If it isn't, press the search bar and go to Door, and there we go, Doordash free credit and coupons. Tap to open that page up. You can see these coupons are somewhat limited. They do replenish these codes, but obviously you want to make sure you're quick to ensure you do get a code here. And scroll down. So there are a couple of codes, as I mentioned previously. There is a $100 Doordash account credit code. This is essentially going to give you $100 in your Doordash account to spend however you want. And the other code is get your next 3 Doordash food orders for free. Pretty self-explanatory here, but you apply this code and it's just going to give you credit for 3 orders. Basically your next 3 orders on Doordash will be free. And you can see in the tip section, work out what codes work better for you, the free orders or free credit. What that means is basically work out which one's going to save you more money. If you do large food orders, the free orders will be better. If you do small ones, obviously the $100 is going to go further. No matter what code you choose here, the process is the same. So let me click on this top one, which is the $100 Doordash account credit. And you can see it's given us part of the code, but we need to press the unlock code button to reveal the full code. Tap that. This takes a few seconds, so just be patient here. Okay, so you're going to come across this screen, and this is completely normal, so don't panic, and it's super easy actually to complete. You just need to follow all of the instructions on this page, but long story short, you just need to complete 2 of these free tasks, and you can see they range from installing games and apps or just completing a couple of these free surveys. So you just choose 2 of these, and you can read the description below each one. They only take like 30 seconds, sometimes over a minute. But they're pretty quick, so I like doing these surveys. So I'm going to click on this one here and just answer the question. Okay, so just let it run through these steps here. Like I say, just choose any 2 of these that you don't mind completing, guys. Okay, so I just need to put in some information in here. Let me open up a second one. So you can see there are like games. So for example, this Family Island, you just need to download, then complete level 8. So just choose 2 and complete them. This bottom one, fill in your valid details and confirm. So let me choose that one. answer the questions here, and I need to input my email. So give me a couple of minutes. I'm going to go ahead and finish both of these off, and I'll be back once I've done that. So yeah, give me a couple of minutes. Right, so I just went ahead and completed both of those 3 tasks that I showed you there. You have to make sure you fully complete them. If you try and skip this step, it simply won't work. So complete 2, and then it should work. If it hasn't worked after 2, just do a third. But like 95% of the time it works after 2. So now all you have to do is go back to your tabs, and you can see it's now given me a new tab here that when I open it, there's my account credit code. So there it is. It's easy as that. I can then go ahead, copy this, and when I enter this into the promo code page in the Doordash app or on the website, it's going to give me $100 to spend across anything and as many orders as I want. So these codes, guys, are one-time use. So you're going to need to go to speedycoupons.com and follow these steps here to get your promo code. You can choose whatever one you want, whether that be the $100 credit or the free food. Like I say, the process doesn't change. So just follow these steps. If you get stuck at any point, just leave a comment below and I can help you out. Please hit the like button as well, and make sure you follow these instructions carefully to ensure you get your code first time. And yeah, you shouldn't have any problems. So enjoy, guys. Enjoy your free food, and I hope I saved you a ton of money on your DoorDash purchases. Peace.